the fitness tech community is highly anticipating the potential release of the Fitbit Charge 7. While Google has officially phased out Fitbit's smartwatch lines, such as the Versa and Sense, the Charge series remains active, with the most recent model, the Charge 6, released on September 20th to 23. Speculation suggests that the Charge 7 could launch in late 2025, but no official announcements have been made. Are we going to have a Fitbit Charge 7 this year? Let's find out the answer. Since Google acquired Fitbit in 2021, the brand's trajectory has shifted. The Charge series has been a staple for fitness enthusiasts, known for its sleek design, comprehensive features, and long battery life. However, the Charge 6, while solid, left some fans wanting more, especially with certain features being downsized or omitted. With Google's focus now seemingly on the Pixel Watch, questions arise. Will the Charge 7 be a significant upgrade or a swan song for the series? A major concern among users is whether Google is letting the Fitbit brand fade into obscurity. Since acquiring Fitbit, Google has focused heavily on its own Pixel Watch lineup, raising concerns about Fitbit's future. While new Fitbit devices are still being released, the lack of aggressive marketing and innovation has left many wondering if Google is slowly phasing out the brand. The Fitbit Charge 7 could be a critical device that determines Fitbit's relevance in the wearable market. It remains to be seen if Google will choose to support the brand wholeheartedly. So, what are the rumors and expectations? Rumors suggest that the Charge 7 will sport a more refined and premium design compared to its predecessor. Expectations include a slightly larger frame, offering a more substantial feel while maintaining the slim profile characteristic of the Charge series. This could accommodate a bigger display, enhancing user interaction and readability. Additionally, more rounded edges are anticipated, contributing to a modern aesthetic and improved comfort during extended wear. The display itself is expected to see significant upgrades. A larger and brighter AMOLED screen is rumoured, providing better visibility, especially under direct sunlight, and a more vivid viewing experience. Speculations also point to an always-on display feature, allowing users to glance at essential information without interacting with the screen. The Charge 7 is likely to retain most of the sensors from the Charge 6, including the heart rate monitor, SpO2 sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, skin temperature sensor, and built-in GPS. However, improvements are anticipated to enhance accuracy and reliability. The heart rate monitoring technology could see enhancements for better performance during high-intensity activities. The skin temperature sensor might also be upgraded, providing more accurate readings to help users track potential changes in their overall health. Additionally, the inclusion of a continuous electrodermal activity sensor is speculated, enabling automatic stress tracking. In terms of hardware, the Charge 7 is expected to feature improved processing power, supporting new features and providing a smoother user experience. Fitbit has always prioritized health and fitness features, and the Charge 7 is expected to continue this tradition with new and improved functionalities. Enhanced heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, stress monitoring, and various workout modes are anticipated. The device could offer more accurate heart rate monitoring, especially during high-intensity exercises, and better sleep tracking with detailed insights into sleep stages and overall quality. Fitbit's dedication to improving health metrics may also lead to advanced stress monitoring using heart rate variability and other measurements. The Charge 7 might also reintroduce the altimeter, previously available in the Charge 4 but absent in the Charge 5 and 6, allowing users to track floors climbed, a feature many have missed. Workout tracking is expected to be refined, with better auto detection for various activities. Fitbit could also introduce new workout modes or improve the accuracy of existing ones. The Charge 7 is anticipated to come equipped with reliable connectivity features, improving upon what was offered by the Charge 6. Bluetooth 5.0 or higher is expected for faster pairing and more stable connections with smartphones. NFC is likely to remain part of the device, allowing users to make contactless payments via Google Wallet, as Fitbit Pay is being phased out in favor of Google's payment systems. Compatibility with Android and iOS devices should continue, with potential improvements in smartphone notification handling. While Wi-Fi connectivity is not anticipated, the device's emphasis on efficient Bluetooth functionality could be sufficient to provide a seamless user experience. The connectivity features are expected to enhance the overall utility of the Charge 7, especially for those who rely heavily on smartphone notifications and contactless payments. While the Charge 6 offered decent battery life, reports hint that the Charge 7 will come with enhanced battery performance, lasting up to 7 days on a single charge. If Fitbit implements an always-on display feature, the company will likely need to enhance battery efficiency to maintain the long battery life users have come to expect. Improved power management systems and a more efficient processor could contribute to better battery longevity. Fast charging could also be part of the package, allowing users to quickly top up the battery when needed. Additionally, there is hope that Fitbit will adopt a more universal charging method, such as USB-C, replacing its proprietary charger. This change would reduce cable clutter and simplify the charging process, making the Charge 7 more user-friendly. While an official release date has not been confirmed, most reports suggest that the Fitbit Charge 7 could be announced sometime in late 2025. Pricing details are also unclear, but it is likely to be within the same price range as the Charge 6, which was priced at around $160. Considering the advancements in technology anticipated with the Charge 7, it's reasonable to expect that its price will fall below $200. The upcoming Fitbit Charge 7 may mark a significant evolution in the Charge series or its conclusion. With anticipated improvements in design, health tracking, and battery life, it could reinforce Fitbit's market position. However, Google's focus on the Pixel Watch raises concerns about Fitbit's long-term future. As we await announcements, the Charge 7's release will be crucial for understanding Fitbit's role within Google's ecosystem, especially for those considering fitness trackers in 2025 against brands like Garmin and Amazfit. Thank you for tuning in. Let us know in the comments, are you excited about the Fitbit Charge 7 or leaning toward other brands like Garmin, Amazfit, or the Pixel Watch?